How to earn daily pay with the Live Good Today program full breakdown. Imagine waking up to new payments hitting your account every single day. No boss, no set hours, just a proven system working for you 24/7. Sounds too good to be true? In this video, we're breaking down the Live Good Today program. A step-by-step system designed to help you generate daily pay with digital products and finally create financial freedom. If you've been searching for a way to escape the 9-to-5 grind, build passive income, and take control of your time, this program is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how the system works, how to start earning daily, and why this is the simplest way to build a digital income without needing tech skills, a product, or a big following. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is the Live Good Today program? It's a plug-and-play digital business model designed to help you earn 100% commissions from high-demand digital products, without needing to create anything yourself. And here's what makes it different. Number 1. Done-for-you automation. The system is already built, you just plug in and start earning. Number 2. Passive daily pay. No waiting weeks for paychecks, you get paid instantly. Number 3. Copy and paste marketing strategy. No need for experience, we give you proven ad templates. Number 4. No inventory, no shipping, no overhead costs. This program is perfect for beginners who want to make their first dollar online and for experienced entrepreneurs looking for a fully automated income stream. Now let's get into how this actually works and how you start making money with the system. Step 1. Getting started. Download your free 10K to 30K blueprint from www.livegoodtoday.com. Get instant access to your training, automated system, and pre-built website. No experience needed, we walk you through everything step by step. Step 2. Learn how to market online. We teach you how to post ads on free high-traffic websites like Craigslist, YouTube, and TikTok. You'll get done-for-you ad templates that you can copy and paste. No need to chase customers, people find you and enter your sales funnel automatically. Step 3. Start earning daily pay. Your automated system explains and sells for you. Every time someone buys through your link, you keep 100% of the profit. Earnings range from $100 to $900 per sale, and payments are instant. That means, instead of waiting for a paycheck, you could be getting daily deposits into your account. One of the best things about the Live Good Today program is that you control how much you make. Let's break it down. $100 per sale for the Launchpad program. $300 per sale, Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. $600 per sale, Digital Mastery Program. $900 per sale, Full Legacy Builders System. So you could, for instance, earn $3,600 per month with just one $900 sale per week or just three $300 sales per week. And remember, this is passive income. Once your system is running, you don't need to constantly work for these results. Why financial freedom matters now more than ever. With inflation rising, job layoffs increasing, and the economy becoming more unstable, having a secondary income stream is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Ask yourself, what happens if you lose your job tomorrow? What if you need extra income to cover unexpected expenses? How would it feel to wake up knowing your income doesn't depend on a boss? Digital income is the future because there are no risk of layoffs, no cap on how much you can earn, no stress about economic downturns, you can work from anywhere in the world. This is about financial security, freedom, and having control over your income. And that's exactly what the Live Good Today program gives you. If you're ready to start earning daily pay and build a real passive income stream, here's how to get started. Visit www.livegoodtoday.com to grab your free 10K in 30 days blueprint. Follow the blueprint and choose your package. Set up your system in minutes. Go through the step-by-step training, post your ads, and start earning. In a nutshell, the Live Good Today program is the simplest way to start making daily pay online, without all the guesswork. If you want to build passive income, work from anywhere, and finally take control of your finances, this is for you. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos like these. The life you want is just one decision away. Let's make it happen.